Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log out Tango Live account on your mobile phone. Also, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you get notified each time we upload the video. First, open your Tango app. To log out from Tango app, make sure you are signed in. If you don't know how, you can check on our video that we have uploaded. Then tap on circle or profile icon on top left section. Then scroll down at the last option. You can see logout. Now tap on logout. Then again tap on logout as Tango app questions you if you want to log out. With that, you are logged out from your Tango Live account. You can log into your Tango Live account whenever you want. This is it for the tutorial. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.